welcome to the Alii Corner Ocean Front One King Bed Room Tour. This room is at the Hilton Hawaiian Village, Waikiki Beach Resort Hotel in Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. Now getting started, here is a nice sized desk. If you are traveling and work from home or you need to get some work done on vacation, this is a great place to set up with great views of the ocean. Alright, and here is another look at the room and the king size bed. I do want to give a shout out to my mom on her trip in Hawaii. She filmed this awesome recording on behalf of DTL Travel. So thank you so much, Mom. Alright, so now getting back to the room tour. So here is a look at the setup in the room. She pulled out the sofa bed and to show out how it looked within the room, that sizing and space, you still have plenty of room to walk around. And the chairs right here will kind of move just for comfort purposes to have that view. And speaking of the view, here it is. This is a oceanfront room, and you can see the beautiful Waikiki Beach set out before you, the resort pool. But again, the most important part is the view. Now coming back in, I just want you to see again that there is those chairs that I said before. We had them laid out so they can be seen from, different views. But you will also see here that there is a second door. So you have two entries onto the balcony there. And this side has more of a garden view, but you still have that Waikiki Beach oceanfront view here, and it wraps around. And so this was just a lot of nice space, beautiful to watch the sunrise, sunset, and just relax when you don't actually want to leave your room during your vacation. Alright, so heading back in, let's take a look at a couple of more details of this room. So again, that king size bed with the seating at the foot of the bed. Now she's going to take us over to the dresser here. So we see that there is a dresser with some drawers for you if you wanted to unpack your suitcase and put things away. Inside here is a mini fridge. It's a basic mini fridge. It's not that big, just for you to put a couple of things inside. There is not a microwave in the room. Most resorts you won't see them unless you have some kind of suite, because of course they want you to eat in their restaurants providing a hotel. A nice size TV for you guys to view. Great view from the bed. Maybe a little hard to view from the sofa once it's pulled up into the couch position. But this bed was a nice size, and they said that it was comfortable for them. So it's up to you if you guys have traveling with four, whether or not you want to use it, but that's that setup for you. Alright, coming back down the hallway, we have the coffee station that comes with a Keurig and K-cups, Fiji water. We have the ice bucket, the tea holder, some K-cups in the drawer, and some extra silverware and things for you there. And there's a little stand underneath if you want to sit anything under there. Another light. And then as we're coming back towards the door, I want you to see that this is a nice size entryway. So when you're coming in, if you're just throwing bags in, you kind of have that space to deal with multiple people coming in. It's not going to be cramped for you. So another shot at how the room looks when you first walk in. But let's go in and look at the bathroom. Alright, so now walking into the bathroom. It is a nice size. I feel like it is a nice size in the room for if you have more than one person in the bathroom. A couple of cubbies for towels. Your hair dryer and everything is inside there. House outlets. A couple of things laid out in the sink. The usual suspects. The tissue box, cups, toiletries, soap, items like that. And there's also the closet is within the bathroom. So it's not outside. It's actually in the bathroom. You have your safe. It's actually a good size. If you have a smaller laptop or tablet, it can definitely fit in there. Definitely nothing bigger than that. You see there is a carry-on suitcase in the back there. So enough space to have another suitcase over there. And here are the robes. Now this is for the Alii Tower, which is what the room is in. There are a couple of towers within the Hilton Hawaiian Village Resort there. And then of course on the top shelf where you would have your extra blankets and pillows, but those are already set out on that sofa bed out front. So turning here, you're going to see the tub shower combo. Now this table in here is actually the coffee table that was in front of the sofa bed out in the main area. Just so it wouldn't be in an awkward spot, it was brought into the bathroom. But there really wasn't anywhere to sit anything next to the tub. So my mom felt like this was a kind of a great space for it to be during the travels. And of course, she put it back upon checking out. But that's just something we wanted you to know for this tour. And here is the pocket door that reveals the toilet area. Now, when you're traveling in Hawaii, you're going to find that the bathrooms have bidets. Now, it's not common in the continental U.S., but if you travel outside the country, you'll see that's a lot more common. On the wall here is the buttons and different options for you when you're using the bidet. Of course, if you don't want to push anything, you just want to use it as a basic toilet, you can. All right, so coming back out, and she's going to give you a nice pan view of the bathroom one more time. And again, to me, this is a nice size. So if you have someone that needs to use the bathroom while you're in the shower, there's a pocket door to close off. As well as if another person needed to come grab something on the sink or do something at the sink, brush their teeth, wash their hands, I really do feel it's enough space where you're not exactly bothering anyone during your stay. So it is a nice size for you and your thing. All right, but that is the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're ready to book, feel free to contact me. Click that link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And I would love it if you could hit that bell notification so you can get future videos to come.